Okay, we have a Haas TL-4 hollow spindle CNC flatbed engine lathe. It has a front and rear chucks, both 25-inch. Also, you have the hole size of 10.81 inches. We're going to run it for you. The machine's new in 2008, serial number 308378. It's actually new in December of 2008. You have a large DORIAN tool post on the machine too, quick change. That's 100 RPM. 200 RPM. 300 in the high range. Doing a gear change, now we're in the low range. 80 in the low. 130, okay. We're gonna run the carriage around for you. The center distance of the machine, well, the cutting length is 71.5. and the distance between centers is 91. TAILSTOCK quill. Okay. Again, this machine's new in 2008. It's original paint. You have front and rear chucks. You have the DORIAN tool post, quick change, the tailstock. You have 91 inches between centers.